Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is part 2 of the audio spectrum video. I highly prefer you to watch the part 1 of this. Link will be in the description box. Let's start. Go to project panel and click on new composition. Name it as music. And hit OK. Drag and drop the music layer in it. Right click on the layer. Go to Keyframe Assistant and click on Convert Audio to Keyframe. Go to Effects Control and delete left and right channel. Close the composition. Pre-compose audio spectrum and logo layer. Go to Effects and Presets tab and search for Magnify. Increase the size to near about 1030. Decrease the magnification to 100. Change the blending mode to none. Hold Alt key and click on the stopwatch of magnification. Paste this expression. I will provide this expression in the description box. You can also change the values according to your need. Copy the effect and paste it on the snow layer and background. So, we have created audio spectrum effect very easily in After Effects. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram for future updates. Thanks for watching.